The weather has been bad since the morning with a continuous snowfall.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun.
We supposed to leave from base camp today to camp 1 and then come back rest here. It's kind of load ferry. I don't think we will be able to go because there is no way it can be considered as a bad weather. This is my proper first time snowfall.
Tomorrow there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day.
In no time, our green landscape at the base camp transformed into a black and white scene due to the snowfall.
Clear a lot as any to see the horizon and the far.
A couple of hours later, the weather cleared and we moved ahead to Camp 1.
But they've all gone out the
We started experiencing snowfall again. We need to go all the way through these boulders there and here.
These lands used to be flat green lands, but due to landslides, we now have to continuously descend and climb, making it tough to walk.
To camp 1, we will unload the luggage and keep it here. We will go back to base camp. We are returning back to our base camp. The weather is getting bad every now and then. We relaxed here for a while. There's continuous snowfall today. I started my day that I love snowfall. Now I'll end my day I hate snowfall because entire 5 kilometers what we have descended is full of snowfall. There is no gap. Look at us.
By the time we returned, the base camp had transformed into a fairyland.
All our tents are super frozen and I am actually a person who is very fond of snowfall, but today we have almost hiked in the snowfall for 3 hours, almost 4 kilometers ostrich, and it was very bad weather.
the roads that lay open are many.
Snowfall at 8 o'clock in the night.
And I can feel the sun. This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many.
It's 7 o'clock in the morning. I guess we are all set to go. We don't see any bad weather today. We can leave for Camp 1.
On my skin.
Today, we will be moving entirely to Camp 1.
From within.
With the weights evenly distributed between yesterday's and today's transport, the trekking has become smoother.
This is very tough.
We finally reached Camp 1, where our team had already set up the tents for us.
Today is our day 6 of Black Peak expedition, and we have successfully reached to Camp 1. So we are at Camp 1, and so we're gonna start our next day. Look at the sunrise. It's quite a very good morning, and we can leave for the next phase, which is going to Camp 2. According to itinerary, we're supposed to do load ferry. That means we will carry a load to Camp 2, and then come back to Camp 1. That is not happening. So what we are doing is that we are directly carrying all our luggage, including sleeping bags, everything to Camp 2 today, and we are staying back.
Since the weather was accommodating, we left the Camp 1 a bit early. The only challenge today is carrying entire load in one go, as we skip the load ferry to Camp 2.
The bag is weighing more than 20 kilos, and because of that, the weight disbalance is happening. But it's just 3 kilometers of journey today. We hope we will make it on time.
It's the time to get out of your trekking shoes and into snow boots. We hide our trekking shoes here and will collect them on a return.
I'm unable to
और मत तो गिरेक लग रही है
push it.
जूता ऐसे ले तो कपड़ा पहना है पूरा गिरेक है उसमें बहुत नहीं गिरेक लो मोटा गिरेक है
Weather is getting bad again. You can see on top of Black Peak. Weather is very bad now.
मतलब ये पत्थर है हमारे पास तो एक सेफ है रुक सकते
So we have stopped on these rocks. We can't go ahead because path is not visible and our tents are not made. Yay! I've made it to Camp 2. I don't believe. Look at it. I'm at Camp 2.
Beneath the starlit sky, our love's secret line, like leaves we soar so high. Beneath the moonlight, the soft touch your hand in mine gets me every time.
We are at Camp 2 of Black Peak expedition, and today
We will be moving to Camp 3, which is Summit Camp. We are 5 people who are attempting Black Peak expedition. 2 are very experts. They have done their basic and advanced courses of mountaineering, and 2 of them were fit enough. Even I have tried my level best, but trust me, I've given up in the first 2 days itself. But we together decided we will move forward slowly and we will make this summit to be successful amongst all 5.
Our love's electric, right? You make me feel alive.
Only couple of days then we will be
Mhm.
submitting this Black Peak,
Okay.
and thereafter we have very few days to descending from the base camp and to the Sakri.
We 5 of us absolutely are fine. We don't have any mountain sickness till now, and we will be ascending around 2.5 kilometers today, and tomorrow morning at 2 o'clock we will try to summit Black Peak.
उसके बाद आप आते हो, ये जो बीच में दिख रहा है ये बंदरपुर
Okay.
और ये ब्लैक पीक. अभी जाएंगे कैंप 3, फिर मॉर्निंग टाइम निकलते हैं.
कितने बजे?
वेदर तो देखते हैं अभी, वेदर देख के,
हाँ.
क्योंकि रात को 1-2 बजे निकल जाएंगे
ओके.
ताकि समिट एकदम सामने दिख रहा
और उसके बाद
टॉप. फिर उसके बाद सीधा समिट करके रिटर्न, देन सीधा कैंप 2. ये ऊपर दिख रहा,
हाँ.
ये दुमदार कांडी पास है. ये भी काफी चैलेंजिंग ट्रैक है.
ओके.
साल में 1-2 बार होता है
ओके.
सिर्फ. इसका हाइट भी एकदम 5000 मीटर है
हो.
लगभग. तो यहाँ से जाते हैं 12 या 13 दिन का टूर है साकरी टू उत्तरकाशी.
11:04 now. We have started at 9:30 from there. We are almost halfway. Team is resting here. Leading shopper and the leading guide, both of them went ahead to find a route for us, because there are many crevasses on the way and we have to go all the way up and stay there.
ऊपर लाइन के साथ
हो गया. हाँ हो गया.
टाइट करो हरी भाई, टाइट करो.
जहाँ पैर रखे ना, उन्हीं स्टेप में अपना पैर.
Once the entire team crosses the crevasse, the last member must remove the rope and cross the crevasse without them. We roped together to climb a 70-degree wall ahead, one of the toughest and longest walls we have ever climbed. Only the lead or local climbers can go without a rope. The sight of Camp 3 tents is indescribable, surrounded by white snow and mountains with nothing visible beyond.
Beneath the starlit sky, our love's secret line, likely waves we soar so high.
This is not normal cold. So cold is really hitting on the face and whatever exposed parts are there. You can't stay out more than 2 minutes.
This is the day we have been waiting for, the summit day at 2 am. We were properly equipped, ensuring no loose ends.
Are we reached halfway?
यस यस अभी हमारा हाफ ब्रिज उधर होगा, सामने दिख रहा है। ये जो दिख रहा है ये गरुड़ पीक।
ओके।
अब इसके बाद एकदम इधर आना पड़ेगा रिटर्न,
हाँ।
एकदम सीधा 90 डिग्री ऐसा हुआ लगा।
ओके।
तो अगर आपको लगता अगर आपको लगता है कि मैं वापस जा रही हूँ, आपको दिक्कत हो रही है,
नहीं सर,
आपने इतना किया, ये भी बहुत बड़ी बात है आपके लिए।
ओके
क्योंकि
सर।
आपका सेकंड ट्रिप है सीधा ब्लैक पीक एक्सपीडिशन।
वही सर।
ऑलरेडी आप 5500 मीटर में हो अभी ऑलरेडी।
Okay. Okay, sir. I'll go with the.
Okay.
I thought I'll make it to Blackpeak summit today, but after 5,500 meters, I feel myself so low, and I was breathless. Team went ahead, and I wish all 4 of my mates will make it to the summit, and I'll consider that it is my summit as well. And I'm going down right now from 5,500 meters, and I'll stay back, or if possible I'll go back to base camp. I am proud of myself. I'm not feeling real bad. I've come all the way till here alone, and as a solo traveler I'm proud, and I'll make it one day successful. Abhi, me and Harish Bhaiya are descending to Camp 3. He's helping me out, and we are going together down.
On the other hand, my team successfully reached the summit.
समिट कैंप से ऊपर आते हुए कितनी सारी रेंजेस दिख रही हैं। इधर देख लो सर जी।
हाय ब्लैक पीक,
जय नाग बाबा की
जय हो।
We are now leaving the summit camp. Me and Hariji, rest all are summiting. This is how the local guides find whether there are any crevasses. See, and to be more safe, you better follow their footprints. Yep, it's it.
मैंने कहा 2-3 दिन में फटने वाला है, धीरे-धीरे फट जाएगा। देखो लेयर आ गई ना ऊपर से।
हाँ. So soon it will burst, and it will be a proper crevasse. I missed to go till there, but I have gone till there and returned back. भैया उसका नाम स्वर्गारोहिणी क्यों है?
स्वर्गारोहिणी इसके लिए है कि युधिष्ठिर जी स्वर्ग गए थे वहाँ से, इसलिए उसको स्वर्गारोहिणी बोलते हैं।
ओके। और इसका
यहाँ का नाम है अर्जुन छाल।
हाँ।
कि अर्जुन जी यहाँ तक पहुँचे थे,
ओके
इसलिए इसको अर्जुन छाल कहा गया।
ओके। Making a way to go. I mean to cross the glacier.
It was hot, sunny day and I felt a bit lonely. However, Hariji kept sharing the stories of the summits and I learned a lot of technical knowledge about mountains.
We have come all the way from Camp 3 to Camp 1 and the next target is base camp, but we are waiting for our captain approval. They're still there on top of Kalanag. Once they are back, we will decide whether to set up a camp here or go to base camp.
The weather is turning bad again and we have nowhere to stay. To our surprise, we see someone running towards us. It's none other than Gangaji. They set up tent in no time and we were saved by the snowfall.
The team have come finally from summit. They're all set to leave to Roinsaratha Lake camp, skipping base camp. Packing is the toughest work. How long it has taken from Camp 3 to the summit?
Around 7 to 8 hours. Yes, the oxygen level was reducing around 20%, and the breathing is so heavy. If you breathe, if you just getting 10 steps, you have to wait for a while and then go again. So it's very challenging, and it is very challenging right now.
Are you feeling proud or?
I don't know, but yeah, I'm feeling very happy.
So, what I realized yesterday was a deed of some divine force. It was not my human capability to climb on Mount Black Peak. It was not my physical ability to walk so long since last 5-6 days. We were completely exhausted. We were out of breath. We were out of energy. We were out of each calorie of our body. I kept remembering my daughter who has written one message for me that Dad, please summit on this mountain and take a photo for me.
So how was yesterday's summit experience? कैसा लगा था?
बहुत ज़बरदस्त।
हाँ।
फिजिकली फिट था लेकिन मेंटली भी बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेंथ लगी। पता नहीं था, इसके पहले कभी वीडियो नहीं देखा, कुछ नहीं देखा कि ब्लैक पिक के कितने एंगल का। स्टार्टिंग में जनरली समिट जब स्टार्ट करते हैं तो ये 70 के अबव उसका हाइट गेन है और एक 50% ही क्रॉस किया होगा तो लगा कि बस अब नहीं हो पाएगा। लेकिन अमन जी है, गंगा राणा है, इन्होंने फुल सपोर्ट किया। बाकी जो मेंबर हैं उन्होंने, आदिल ने सपोर्ट करके कैसे तो भी खींच लिया और आखिरी एंड पे जाके सब बेस्ट समिट हो गया फाइनल।
We are not using even cutlass. Have to be really careful. This looks like heaven and this is the other side of heaven, which is hell. Shoes are very slippery and it's getting tough for us to even descend. On top of it, snowfall It started as well.
This is probably the toughest of all.
The trails have become challenging due to the continuous snowfall and were very slippery. This will be the last sight of snow or ice you will see. Beyond this point lies dry lands. We were at the base camp now, where we have access to mules again. The team will take away the extra weight, reducing the load of sleeping bags and equipment, allowing us to carry only our personal belongings.
सर आपका समिट कितना बार हो चुका है?
अभी फर्स्ट टाइम हुआ है, 4 बार ट्राई करके 5वीं बार सबमिट हुआ है। हो गए माउंटेन सिकनेस की दिक्कत होती है।
आपका है और क्लाइंट का है?
नहीं, खुद का भी हुआ, क्लाइंट का भी हुआ। कभी मौसम खराब हो गया, फिर डिसेंट करना होता है।
कि सांस का कुछ इशू है?
ऊपर तो बहुत ज्यादा है। अभी तो कुछ नहीं, लो हाइट में आ गया, अभी तो फ्री है। फिर सोच रहे कि हम दोबारा जाएं।
You can never predict weather in mountains, especially in Himalayas. And it is being too hot for a moment, and then immediately it is changing into the rain. Rains are at the lake, and we will be leaving to Osla today, which is 16 kilometers of the trekking, which is the longest hiking till today.
The same tough trails are no longer difficult for us. We have started to appreciate and feel the embrace of Mother Nature while descending back. The trail to Osla village is breathtaking, passing through paddy fields, water streams, waterfalls, and wooden bridges. Today, we will be staying in Osla village, where we can finally sleep in wooden homes instead of tents. We were captivated by their culture, delighted by their food, and touched by their hospitality. It's time to bid farewell to Osla and continue our journey to Sangri. After hiking 3 to 4 kilometers, we found a vehicle that could take us to Sangri. It's time to unload our bags and reconnect with networks and to take long showers, which we haven't done in past 12 days.
Immediately called the only person is my mom, because I want to let her know that I'm all safe. Of course, she's the only one who is more worried about my safety. I have called her. She started crying because she saw news that something has happened in the mountains to some of the trekkers, and she was just praying that it wasn't me. Good that I have called her. She's all good. I hope that she's passing information to everyone.
Everyone, I would like to congratulate for attempting this peak and completing at a very good terms. So today we will be distributing the certificates for your Black Peak expedition. Ramya Chiluvari. Shankar Abdul Adil Kazi. Mr. Ramiz Hussain.
With good friends and cherished memories, thoughts of future adventures linger as a trip officially concludes today. It's time to part ways and return to reality.